Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the 10th question in exercise 8.1. In PQR, right angle at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeters and PQ is 5 centimeters. Determine values of sin P, cos P and tan P. Let's first draw a right angled triangle. So they said it is right angled at Q. So I'm marking the Q here. This angle is marked as P and this side as R. Now what is given to us is PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeters and PQ is given to be 5 centimeters. So this side we already know as 5 centimeters. However, PR plus QR is given as 25 centimeter. So if we know the value of QR and PR, then we can directly find out sin P, cos P and tan P. So first let's take up what is given here. PR plus QR is 25 means QR can be written as 25 minus PR. I'm simply rearranging this linear equation in terms of this. Now, according to Pythagorean theorem, since it is right angled at Q, PR square is equal to QR square plus PQ square. So QR, I'm going to replace it with 25 minus PR. So 25 minus PR the whole square plus PQ's value is given, which is 5 square, is equal to PR square. So now let's expand. PR square is equal to, this is A minus B the whole square. So I'm using the formula A square. So 25 square is 625 plus B square, which is PR square, minus 2AB. So 2 into 25 into PR, which is minus 50 PR plus 5 square is 25. Now let's strike out the common one. So PR square and QR square is getting cancelled. So I can write this as 625 plus 25 is 650. So 650 is equal to 50 times of PR, or PR is equal to 13. So we got the value of the hypotenuse as 13. Now we can generate the value of QR. So QR is equal to 25 minus 13 is what we computed for PR. So this is equal to 12. So now we found out the last frontier, this side of value 12. Now what is asked to us is actually tan P, sin P and cos P. So let's start writing. Sin P is opposite to hypotenuse. So angle opposite side opposite to angle P is 12. So 12 divided by 13. Now cos P is adjacent by hypotenuse. So it will be 5 by 13. Tan P is opposite by adjacent. So it will be 12 divided by 5. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 11th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.